my parents and their crowd, who at the time had to fight, who had to be allowed into Canada because they were Jews, and it took a while for Canada to admit Jews. But right now, my parents, as former partisans, would be very suspect, and it has nothing to do with being Jewish, but it would be because they were what is now called irregular combatants. You know, irregular combatants are not very welcome in most Western countries, and there's a great difficulty that people have making a distinction between people who, in very abnormal circumstances, do things that are outside their normal life. And it's like the poem, Romsdruckerei, you know, Schutzgewehr's poem, which sums it up. You take people who were reading books, then took the lead from the typeset and made bullets, but that wasn't their idea of a good time. And so how do you distinguish in people like that and people who are like, quote unquote, terrorists, because that's what they do in their life? It's very hard for a lot of governments to make that distinction now. So when I look at the way some people are judged now, I say, oh, gee, my parents wouldn't have been admitted into Canada because they were irregular combatants. They weren't in an army, they weren't wearing a uniform.